Caduceus is not your regular app or startup story. Its background is somewhat exotic. It has a history of more than 42 years. Caduceus' team has been working at the forefront of technology. We started building innovative knowledge management systems at the beginning of the commercial database era in the 80s. The team has successfully completed complex tech stacks for multinational enterprises. The founders have bridged multiple generations together and are working as one with the Caduceus team. They have been relentlessly solving some of the most complex problems in the IT sector, as well as being involved in knowledge management for businesses and clients since the 2000s, working towards the single dream of building the knowledge factory. Sergios and Demis together built Caduceus for the sole purpose of assisting people organize their minds and thrive in the era where AI and information explosion are consuming people's wages, time, and attention. One of the main problems we all face today is the overwhelming amount of information we are receiving and managing daily, the information explosion. Caduceus enables us to seamlessly express ourselves and combine visual and semantic morphemes, switching between the big picture and the slightest detail with no loss of context. For this reason, we feel Caduceus is the ultimate compressor of knowledge. The mission of Caduceus is to help us capture and augment our thinking, communicate our thoughts clearly, build knowledge within communities, and create value for ourselves and humanity. They believe that software is just a tool and that community is more important than any individual product. That is why they decided to launch Caduceus in Web3, where communities are closely knit, are innovation friendly, and can work together to build the best possible tools for dissemination of knowledge. To launch in Web3, Caduceus joined forces with the RootzTribe, a like-minded community of Web3 visionaries whose purpose is to build Web3 knowledge. This is only the beginning. The community leads the way from now on.